Today we're taking a look at the 2015 Chevy Corvette Stingray Z51. This one's only got 14,000 miles on it. 2-owner, clean Carfax. Window sticker was $500 shy of 80,000. So it is a 3LT model. You got magnetic selective drive mode, factory chrome wheels. I'm about to show you my favorite part, the visible carbon fiber on the roof. So fully removable roof panel, but it's the exposed carbon fiber. Factory option. Like I said, this car's only got 14,000 miles on it, and it's loaded up with every option you want. Got a lot of carbon fiber on the dashboard as well. You got the factory upgraded Bose sound system as well over here. This one just landed. It's going live on the website today. Go check it out live on the website at BRIANSAutocenter.com.